What if I tell you that there is a hidden pattern that actually predicts the high probability, very high probability, and I'm going to tell you what probability is that will happen. What does that mean to 100%? Means I have found that happen in 5 occasions, a particular pattern, a combination of patterns that create a crisis, okay? 100% of the time. How do I come up with this? I've been studying the last 100 years of the global economy, and I have actually discovered that happened in 17 occasions, okay? That we have crisis. So this predictability is just based on data, so just on pattern recognition, okay? It is aggressive central bank rate cuts. We do not have that yet, okay? We haven't have that, but we have what is called a cuts, and we have 6 cuts so far on since we started. What does that actually mean, cuts? Somebody's cutting interest rates. Is why is doing that for? The main reason is that the economy is not doing amazingly well, and you need to make it breathing. You got inflation, you got things not very well, and you need to reduce the money you take from the economy, and you want the economy to breathe, okay? Now, so rate cut has been drastically is an alarm for me. Okay, so if it's happened more than 6 times, it's actually high probability that we'll have, and I got a video about that in the channel about this particular situation, that more than 6 cut is for me a high probability that we're gonna have a crisis. I don't know when, I don't know how, can take 6 months, can take a year, I don't know, but I become into defensive investor, okay? And the probability is quite shocking for me. But from 1914 to 2008, we got the World War I supply shock, oil embargo, 1973, 1979 Iranian crisis, Gulf of War, 1990, and 2008 we got a financial crisis when the barrel went up. So what happened in all of them, the oil went up, spiked crazy, and then went down, and we got massive interest rate cuts after. But we already have 6, more than 6. When you go past 10 in all the other cases, we move into 92% probabilities, just to let you know, okay? So that became absolutely danger. So the first geopolitical oil spikes, energy start prices to go up crazy, and then we go step 2. So inflation start to go up, and that's what you heard a lot in the news, that people are scared about this situation. And what happened? Because the inflation start to go up drastically, oil is up, everything is more expensive, you cannot spend more, then the economy start to slow down. So now my question for all of you is this one: will this time will be different? I hope yes, but it happens 100% on 5 occasions in 5 crises, which is a high probability. So guys, the most important is to control yourself on this kind of situation, be patient and being in control, and be aware of what is going to happen and what to do.